Welcome to SchoolX. SchoolX is Pakistan's leading online learning platform that provides adaptive and personalized learning to its students. There are multiple streams offered on SchoolX, such as A-levels, O-levels, and everything from primary up till secondary education. Let's look at A-levels in greater detail. Now at the very top, we can see the upcoming classes for the courses that the student has enrolled into. Further down, we can notice all of the courses which are being offered inside the A-level stream which the student can potentially enroll into. Now let's look at AS level mathematics for more detail. Let's click on this course. When we click on AS level mathematics, we can see further details regarding that course. Lectures, we can see the upcoming lectures at the very top, and then if we scroll down, we can see all of the upcoming classes as well as what is going to be taught within every single class. This is the content plan that our teachers have rigorously worked with. Now let's look at a class which is going to occur on the 8th of June. For example, this class, Roots and Determinants. We can see a brief overview at the outside which shows that this belongs to chapter quadratics, and there are 3 practice materials and 3 study materials that comes alongside with this lecture. Let's click on this. Now since the lecture has been already delivered in the past, the lecture recording would be available on this link. If we scroll down, we can see further details about the lecture, what was taught in the lecture, what the lesson goals were, and further concepts, lesson materials and practice materials linked directly to this particular lecture. Now this is where the adaptive form of learning comes into our platform. The platform's intelligent algorithm tries to assess whether the student has successfully understood these concepts based on certain MCQs. Now when the student clicks on practice, he's taken to a set of MCQs that the student is supposed to attempt. For example, what is the root of an equation? I don't know, maybe the midpoint of the curve. Let's see. Oh, this is a wrong answer. And now the platform will cue you that this is the solution and the correct answer was D. Now this is going to impact my score, and the algorithm will learn subsequently whether I'm doing well in the MCQs which were linked directly with the lecture, or whether I was doing good compared to the rest of the class. And this is how the platform learns whether the student has actually performed well or is underperforming in this particular course. The student can always access their learning path and their learning curve in the My Learning portal available on the SchoolX website. So when we click here, the student will see all of the learning outcomes which are supposed to be completed against this particular course. And we can see that the student has a lot of these marked as incomplete. So this ensures that the student can keep track of his or her progress, and this also ensures that the SchoolX team has made the right effort into ensuring that the student has successfully learned all of the learning outcomes related to that particular lecture, and as a whole the entire subject, so that the student can perform remarkably well in their exams.